guys, this is my tutorial on how I created this burnt red gold smoky eye. I use the Tarte Bee You eyeshadow palette. I love this palette. First, I'm going to take the shade Be Sweet, which is this beautiful orange brown shade, on a Morphe GH34, and I'm just going to blend this into my crease area. Be Bold, which is that beautiful burnt red shade, on a ColourPop E19 brush. And I'm just going to apply that on my outer V area. Such a beautiful shade. And this is probably my favorite brush. It's so easy to blend. It has precision. I just love it. Be Fab, which is the darkest shade in the palette. It's that beautiful dark brown shade, on a Morphe M330. I'm just going to apply that in the outer V area. To be honest, this is the wrong brush for this. Morphe GH37. Then I'm going to go in with the gold in this palette called Be Brave. It's that beautiful gold right there. And on my finger, I'm going to apply that to my inner corner. Some fallout with that eyeshadow. I'll brush it away. Go back in and blend those two together. A ColourPop E3 and get it wet with some settings. We go on with that shade Wet. So under my eye, I'm gonna go back in, Be Bold underneath my eye on the E19 brush. Then on a JH43 brush, I'm gonna take the shade Be Fab and apply that to my outer bottom lash line. Darker gold shade called Be Curious on my finger and apply that between the gold and the dark eyeshadow. The Tattoo Eyeliner by Kat Von D. Go ahead and line my eyelids. And I'm gonna line my bottom lash line with some Urban Decay eyeliner. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with Be Positive on a JH42. Tarte Exposed, I'm gonna highlight my inner corner. And so this is how I created my gold burnt red smoky eye. Thanks so much for watching my gold smoky eye tutorial. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification for future tutorials.